Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Good morning, everyone. It's going to be wet out there for a lot of people's holidays.
Sure, wet and stormy.
Storm came at the absolute worst time, and that's where we will begin this half hour with the latest on the East Coast bracing for Arthur, the first named storm of the hurricane season.
And mandatory evacuations have been ordered for Hatteras Island in North Carolina, along with other parts of the Outer Banks. They're expected to ride out the storm. Arthur will gain strength today and tomorrow while staying offshore. But the rain and the wind that accompanies it will wash out for many 4th of July celebrations. Yeah, Boston officials are moving up their Friday evening plans to tonight. What would have been a rehearsal is now going to be a performance there. And ABC's Marcy Gonzalez has more from the Outer Banks.
Arthur's outer bands hitting Florida's eastern beaches, bringing rain and rough seas.
We can see the waves are pretty high today, so we're going to keep a close eye on them.
Floridians waiting out this first storm of the Atlantic hurricane season as it makes its slow northern turn up the East Coast.
If it were something that looked really dire, you might want to batten down the hatches or go somewhere else, you know, away from here, but not this. This is just going to be a breeze.
Forecasters say Arthur is gaining strength off the Carolina coastline.
Storms are coming! Oh, we're staying. We're not going anywhere. We're here.
But North Carolina's Governor Pat McCrory warns Hurricane Hardy residents not to take this storm lightly.
I want to reiterate, don't put your stupid hat on. Usually most injuries occur right before a storm or right after a storm.
The governor declaring a state of emergency in 25 counties ahead of the storm, which forecasters say could make landfall or brush the shores of the Outer Banks as a Category 1 storm, just ahead of the busy July 4th weekend. Marcy Gonzalez, ABC News, Raleigh, North Carolina.
So conflicting weather patterns and even ocean temperatures could influence Arthur's every move.
Yeah, let's get the latest predictions from AccuWeather's Steph Davis. Good morning, Steph.
Thanks, Rena and Taman. Arthur is currently northeast of Jacksonville, Florida, and it will continue to press north. It will impact Myrtle Beach, South Carolina Thursday night, bringing along with it 1 to 3 inches of rain and wind gusts between 40 and 60 miles per hour. The worst conditions are expected Thursday night into Friday for the Outer Banks, with rain between 3 and 5 inches and wind gusts up to 80 miles per hour. Now, these conditions are prompting a tropical storm warning for Myrtle Beach and Virginia Beach and a hurricane warning for the Outer Banks. For our Independence Day